Our second question is 125 taka and 58 paisa plus 57 taka and 75 paisa. First we have to separate taka and paisa. So first part 125 taka and 58 paisa, second part and second line 57 taka and 74 paisa. Then we have to add, second step we have to add paisa. 58 plus 74 paisa equal 132 paisa. Here we know 100 paisa is equal 1 taka. So we have to observe here, if we get 100 paisa or larger than 100 paisa, we have to subtract here. So third step is observe and subtract. Subtract if needed, we will subtract 100. Okay, we will get 32. Here we will write 32. Though we get here 1 extra taka, so we will add 1 taka here. Then we will add 125 plus 57 plus 1. Answer will be 183. 183. So full answer is 183 taka and 32 paisa. Again observe. First step 1, separate. We have to separate taka and paisa. Then add paisa. We have to add paisa. If we get 100 or more than 100, we will subtract 100 from required result. Answer will write here. So we'll add 1 for 100, then add total taka, and we will get final answer. Again, in this question I have separated taka and paisa, then added paisas, then added paisa and get 132 paisa. Subtract 100 paisa, get 32, right here 32, and for 100 paisa I have right here 1, and add total taka, and answer is 183 taka 32 paisa.